Welcome to tutorial info. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add friends in the mini world CREATA game. To add friends, you want to, in the main menu, tap on the friends icon right here, and then add friends right here. Here you might see your friends over here, but if not, you can always just search them in here, either through their user ID or UID, or through their nickname, as you can see. So let's search up, for example, one of our other accounts. And then you can tap on this little person with a plus icon to send a friend request. If your friend sent you a friend request, you'll be able to see it, how it looks like soon. Let's just switch over to the other account. But your friend will see it, or if your friend has sent you a request, this is how it will look like. In the friends menu, you can see friend applications right here. You can check them like this, or you can tap right here on the applications and see friend requests from other people. You can tap the check icon to confirm or the X icon to deny. Let's confirm it. Then you can send messages like this. Enter a message. And then send. You can send some emojis. And that's it. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.